Good morning, friends. Welcome to Infos. Welcome to another video from Infos. This is a special video. In this one, we are going to discuss about mobile-based app for HPCL, IOCL, BPCL drivers, security, plant workmen, training, compliance. Earlier, VB Industrial Services are doing safety training for LPG and white oil truck drivers in Kerala. IOCL, HPCL, BPCL truck drivers in Kerala. That was physical classroom training. While doing that training in the classroom, we thought we develop or we discuss about the HPCL personnel about developing a mobile based app, because most of the time drivers cannot coordinate together, bring to the classroom. Drivers always traveling to various locations to Kerala, so it was difficult to bring all drivers together to complete this training program, LPG safety. So that time we have think about to develop a cost effective, efficient training method. This is the story behind this particular mobile app. And now we have developed a prototype, LPG Suraksha. It is available in Google Play Store, and it is based on Oil India Safety Directory OISD 154. So all company personnel can download it and use it to see their functionality, various properties and various content itself. We have developed this content with the discussion of HPCL personnel, HPCL LPG bottling plant in Irimbanam, Kochi, Kerala. So let us see what is the how this mobile based app working. Welcome to this video. Current challenges. Drivers are geographically spread wide apart. Logistical and budgetary constraint to conduct trainings. When we are doing a classroom training, we have to spend a large amount of money to arrange the all drivers to bring together. They have to stop their work and they have to join to the training program. And it is difficult to coordinate the drivers because all the drivers are always traveling to various locations. So lack of insight into compliance status. Physical classroom training is the compliance status is recording and monitoring is difficult. So a proposed solution is an app which enables drivers, security staff and plant workers of HPCL, IOCL, BPCL to get certified anytime, anywhere at their convenience. Access and control to HPCL, IOCL, BPCL at the backend to view the staff compliance data. So a mobile app is enabled drivers and security staff or plant workers of this LPG and white oil bottling plant, transportation and storage facility to get certified anytime, anywhere at their convenience. Access and control of this particular app to this HPCL, IOCL and BPCL at the backend to view staff compliance data. Various access and control systems are provided for this particular app. App LPG app, the name is LPG Suraksha, that is the prototype, is available on Google Play Store. So let us see the various features of this particular app. In technical details, we can say a mobile application development framework for app development, PHP and MySQL for the backend application development. Let us see that how the features of the app is function. So the first page is remember this one we have developed with the consultation with the HPCL LPG bottling plant in Inimbanam. So that screenshot actually I have taken for just to explaining the this particular video. That's why I use this one HP gas logo with their permission. HPCL training, this one, the mobile when we download into app into the Google Play Store, and once it is open it, this is this type of prototype, this type of page will come. Remember that one we can change it to IOCL and BPCL as well according to their wish. This is this mobile app is configured and stored in an external server, so it will not affect any company's internal server networking or safety issues. So any person going to use this one, driver, plant workers or security personnel, they can download in any type of iOS and Android based mobile devices, not very high end mobile device or normal devices. You can download. It's a simple file, small file type, and it can use it very easily. All instructions are providing this one. So for once it is purchasing with any of the oil company, the product will be exclusively all right of this particular product will be their own product will be up to the contract period. They can use their logo. They can use only their employees. No other employees outside can use this one. Using that type of security controls are provided in this particular app. So as per the company's list, anybody can log in. Company's employee can log in using two login ID like name, mobile number, or like his Aadhaar number, or any other like date of birth, or whatever company is providing. Two unique ID can use for login purpose. Once it is logging, you can see this one. In this one, the logo is in the right side, and our company logo is in the left side, and menu button is there, and driver photo also we can add, or any candidate photo also we can add here. So once it is logging, it is reaching to the dashboard. So in the dashboard you can see the whole training list. You can see training list from there, and it is the language which is using here is in Malayalam, because we have developed this particular LPG Suraksha module training based mobile based app training in Malayalam for HPCL LPG bottling plant in Irumbanam. So that's why we have used in this particular regional language Malayalam. Remember that one we can use in any other language, Indian language or English also. We can use according to the regional requirement. So we can see the list of training here. Any other training in future we can add into this mobile app. So particularly we have designed this one for one mobile app using for entire training in a plant, like in LPG bottling plant. Various trainings are 10 to 15 trainings are there. All training for all staff we can add into this particular mobile app. That was the design concept. So once it is selecting which training is immediately due, yearly due, he can select that one. He can go through that and he can start his training. So and then he can see this one is index he can see, and objective he can see this one, and he can here the advantage is 2-3 functions I have to just explain. One is voice button is there. Voice button is in case he is difficult to read that text in proper way. So in that case, he can click on the this is he can read, he can listen, he can hear that voice clearly. And another button is next and previous slide button. Here we have made a control method for the candidate cannot escape or cannot easily go for the next button. He need to wait for some time. We have finished a time delay. We have added a time delay here, and just to wait for few seconds to complete. Once it is complete reading and listen the audio, then only this next button will activate and go for to the next slide. So that control also provided here, and you can see this one in next button, next slide. You can see various video facility also added in this mobile app. So any company developed videos or in general videos related to that particular subject also can play from here and read and understand the concept of that particular video. The entire screen will lock for that particular entire video timing. Say example 2 minute or 3 minute, that the entire screen will lock, cannot move previous or next button. So make sure that when that entire video will play and understand by the candidate. So once he finish, the training is module is divided by index and chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In that way, in chapter 1, once he finish that one, he need to uh, answer few questions from that chapter 1 where he studied completely. So he has to answer that chapter 1 questions. Once he finished that chapter 1 question successfully, then only he can go to chapter 2. Otherwise, he has to repeat the chapter 1 again to understand properly once again, read, understand, hear the audio again, watch the video again, and clear the questions again. Completely clear the questions in a right way. Then only he can start with the second chapter 2. Like that one, it will go this all entire training app is working like this. Also, we have added picture facilities are there, various pictures. So audio, video, picture facilities are there, and content is developed with consultation with the HPCL, LPG plant in Idimbanam, LPG bottling plant. So the content also we can review time to time. We can add more questions. We can add or remove or improve the quality of mobile training in future also. We can add more content also. So continuous improving this one to improve the quality of training. And language also, different language we can add in the audio section also. Text section also we can add more languages, regional languages. So this way the mobile app is working. Then once he finish all the test, all the content like chapter 1 and 2, 3, he is to finish the final test for the entire training. So end of training test he has to complete. That also included 20 to 30 random questions from the various chapters, including question from using pictures, question using from videos. So various that type of concept is included in this video. Once he finish completely, so he can get the message that when you have completed your training successfully, you can see the certificate. So he can create or it will show his certificate in the mobile itself, and he can transfer that file to his in his email or other locations like in his mobile saving location. Also, the conduct the certificate will send it to the job officer immediately. So by email or WhatsApp. So mobile app features we are looking to that is driver can log in with the user ID and password as per the company's requirement. Whatever the company giving what type of login IDs and other thing uh, ID giving that one, that we can use as a user ID and password. They can see the list of training available on dashboard. They can see the expiry date of current certificate from dashboard. They can select the training and start. They can go through the text and exercise, watch videos, hear audios, etc. They can start the test after training and submit. On a result page, they mail or save the PDF version of the certificate to their device. So benefit to these oil companies, HPCL, IOCL, BPCL, white oil and LPG bottling plant, white oil storage and transportation facility, increased visibility to driver training compliance, process efficiency, saving the time and effort, access to historical record. Job officers can see the list of pending drivers who are not completed the list. Notification to job officers. So increased visibility is there for training complaints. So job officers can see weekly, monthly, yearly based reports can generate by this app. So easily can monitor with a single in his desktop. He can see that one where is the progress of the training, what is the pending, and how we can improve efficiency, increasing or to finish that training within the stipulated time. So saving the time and effort, it is training will complete automatically, because this training once installed in mobile app, driver or plant worker, they can do in their rest time. They can repeat any number of time to understand and get a more and more idea on that one. This will hopefully this will reduce in the road accidents chances in our road. So access to historical record in previous record also they can see and monitor. Job officers can the list of pending drivers, if some of the drivers are or some of the candidates are skipping from the training. Job officer can see that list of the item monthly basis or weekly basis, and they can send the reminders automatically. They can to send the reminders to the candidate, also job officers as well. So notification to job officers also possible. So we believe that this is the one of the innovative idea of complete the training of LPG and white oil truck drivers and plant workers. This is we believe this is the first one, this type of training mobile based training app in Kerala and India as well. So hopefully this all oil companies are watching this video. Oil companies representative or responsible officers watching this video will give definitely a chance to us to show our ability to prove this efficiency of this training. So thanks for watching this video. Kindly request you to all of my good friends to forward this one to oil company employees like HPCL, BPCL and IOCL employees or job officers, those who are working in LPG bottling plant and white oil white oil transportation and storage facility. So we are ready to demonstrate in front of oil company personnel. We have already done that one in HPCL. HPCL already given provided at a purchase order. So we are going to install this one into our first trial basis order is installed in HPCL LPG bottling plant in Irumbanam in Kochi, Kerala. So hopefully this year they will our drivers HPCL drivers is going to use this one. I request to IOCL and BPCL personnel to provide a trial order for trying this one to their personnel. Thanks for watching this video. This will be uh, we hope this will be benefit to the uh, employees, plant workers, and we believe this one a cost effective, efficient training method in coming future, especially in this pandemic situation. So thank you for watching this video.